Welcome friends, welcome to online learning box, and this is a new type of video. In this video tutorial we're going to learn how to draw a cartoon illustrations. There are many styles in cartoons. Their cartoonists follow so many styles, their own styles. So here I'm going to demonstrate a style which a caricature of the style. Um, so you can think there's a brush, and with the help of this brush tool I'm just going to draw some circles. So here you can see this circle, and break down this circle. So this is a spot, and this spot, and this uh, so here you can see this part, and I'm just putting this here. So now we are going to start just from scratch. And before this, remember this thing, and just try to draw like this. So this is a first part, and you can see this is a very important things which I want to going to explaining you. And see this one and this one. So here you can uh, easily understood this is a female face. Okay, now here it is eyebrows, and the side face, making side face. And there's a manga style of art, manga style of eyes, or this, see this manga style of these things. And this is a nose, and very uh, nose style. So see, this is another kind of nose style, which we can see this 19 style, 19 since 19. So this one, so this is a ladies face, side face. So here it is. I'm going to make another curve. So just we do not want this curve. Now see this curve, this circle is very important here. So uh, remove this one, it's not necessary. So now here you can see this is nice circle. So by this circle, now change this opacity, go down, and see this is what I'm want to explaining here. So this one, and now this is portions of a simple figure. So here it is lots of strokes, is creating messy or massacre. So this one and this one, so you can understand what I'm going to do. The hand portions, and just a little bit of this kind. Okay, so here you can see you can increase this thing. Okay, now remove this one, and so the hip portion, so making this kind of hip portions and this body portions. And see, this is, so here is a little bit of cartoon shape, the side face. Always remember there's a style. There are lots of style in cartoon world, so we'll discuss later on. There's a basic structure, and in my upcoming video I'll be discuss about this. So please subscribe this channel and carry on, and please hit like button if you really think this is useful. Thank you very much for watching. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.